Seeing the incognito mask at the top of Chrome and can't get back to normal browsing? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to tap to turn off incognito on Chrome for Android. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Chrome app, even if it's already in incognito mode. Look at the very top of Chrome. On the right, you'll see a small square with a number inside. That's your Tabs button. Tap that Tabs button once. You'll now see all your open tabs laid out as cards. If you're in incognito, you'll notice a dark background and a small mask icon near the top of this tab screen. At the top, you should also see two options, one for your regular tabs and one labeled incognito with the mask icon. To turn off incognito, you just need to close all incognito tabs. In the incognito section, look for each card showing a website. On each incognito tab card, tap the small X in the top right corner to close that tab. Repeat this for every incognito tab until there are none left in the incognito section. On some versions, you might also see a trash can icon or close all incognito tabs. Tap that once to close them all instantly. When all incognito tabs are closed, the incognito section disappears. Tap back into your regular tabs, and you'll see your normal browsing again. That's it. You've turned off incognito by closing all private tabs, and Chrome on your Android is back to normal browsing.